ọjọ́ ìbí ṣe pàtàkì ó ṣe kókó.
Hooray! Happy birthday to Apostle Adetunji Olukorede Awolesi as you step into this glorious new season today, March 5th, 2025, to celebrate your 65th birthday. I pray that the good hand of Jehovah will be your banner. May His light continue to illuminate your path, setting you apart in all your endeavors. I declare that in this new season, God will use you to raise thousands of hands more. You are divinely separated from errors that derail destiny. You will not disappoint God, and your influence and impact will be celebrated both in time and eternity. Congratulations to a great and distinguished servant of God. Announcer, Ambassador Rafi Bell Otun Asiwaju Onigbagbo of Ijebuland.
Congratulations on your birthday today.